just saw us post a matte black Revuelto with a Duke Dynamics kit last week. It looks very similar, except this one has stock wheels and it has a green interior with green brake calipers, so it's a little bit of a different take on it. This car was a gray color before. It has been completely wrapped in satin black, as you could see. You can't even tell it's a wrap. It has the full Duke Dynamics kit on there as well that we matte clear coated, so it goes with the wrap. Today is a very special day with a lot of cars. As you can tell, it looks incredible with the matte. I think the matte carbon with the matte color body always looks amazing because it's kind of like a stealth car right there. And then the wheels, this customer was thinking about changing them, but you know, honestly, the Revuelto comes with pretty nice wheels. You are gonna keep the same size even if you change them, but they are gonna be a little bit more aggressive. So that would help this look. It's also not lowered like the last one we did. The last one was slammed, very tough to drive too. This one is completely stock other than the wrap and the body kit. And it also has an exhaust as well, so it screams. Obviously, you guys know this car with the exhaust, really, really fun. I'm gonna open up this door because I really want you guys to see the green interior. And as you can see, it's got green guts with the green calipers. I mean, look at this. This looks really sick with the whole satin black and the green combination, and obviously all that matte carbon body kit. The signature lights in the back. Let me turn on the ignition. So you got the really wild lights in the back that looks insane. Even during the daytime you see it, but at night even crazier. But yeah, this is going to a good buddy of ours in Vegas. Congrats, Zach. He is, if you guys have ever seen that show, the Ghost Show, he's the main host. So he wanted his true Batmobile look, and he's gonna get it now.
Organizing the vehicles so we can work on them. It is Labor Day weekend, you guys, coming up. Be safe, have fun. Safety is important. Do not drink and drive. Do not get high and drive. Whatever you do, stay home, have fun, be safe. No car accidents. Let's get through this safely and be happy.
Me traen como calzón. No.
We are standing in front of this Rolls-Royce Cullinan right here. Series 2, brand new car, has like 100 miles on it. And as you can see, it is completely stripped. The fenders are off the car. The only thing we need to still remove off the car that we haven't is the hood, simply because we gotta store all these parts somewhere. It's not fun. We got bumpers off, fenders, all the grille, chrome pieces, everything on the sides, the rear, everything has been taken off because this is getting a full Mansory body kit on it. It's gonna be in regular carbon fiber, not forged. I haven't seen Mansory do the new Cullinan with regular carbon yet, so I'm excited to see that because forged carbon's cool and all, but on this color, I think the regular carbon weave is gonna hit way harder. I haven't even seen one done in this color either, so excited about that. It has a cobalt blue interior, so we're gonna be doing some blue accents on the outside. It's gonna also get blacked out. So this thing has so much work to do. It's a ton of work. but we're gonna get it done. We also have a second Cullinan Mansory build that's gonna be in progress as well. So 2 big ones. If you guys don't know, the new Mansory Cullinan kits are very expensive. You are nearly at $300,000 for just basic parts and tariffs. So it's a true big boy build to do a Mansory Cullinan right now. So we're gonna get that going. A lot of work to do.
Burger King chicken sandwiches at 10:30 in the morning.
He ordered it.
He ordered it, and I can tell he ordered it like really early because it's cold. So you think he'll notice if I take away his barbecue? Let's put this somewhere else.
All right, we're in the back. There's a lot of guys over here, and it's a very hot day, so it's kind of awkward. But there's one guy here, look.
Are you?
There's a guy over here. He's a new employee. There's a guy over there. But anyways, we are working on this Brabus G63 2025 model. This is, I think, number 8 for us this year. So we did 8. Basically, it's been 8 months, and 8 of them. That's probably more than anybody besides maybe Brabus headquarters. I don't know. But beautiful Designo matte black car right here. We did everything in matte black. We wanted it to look a little different. Obviously, normally we would do like this in gloss black. We do these in gloss black, stuff like that. But we did everything in the matte black, so it looks sleek, and it is more expensive paint. We have a lot of stuff that we still have to put on there. Right now, the front end is getting done. There's so many pieces to this body kit. People think it's a piece of cake, but it's a lot of work. So we're adding some red accents because it has a red interior. It has carbon fiber all over as well. Brabus wheels, all that. So completely Brabus out, obviously. It's going to be a really nice build. We also lowered it too. Got to lower these things, believe it or not. Brabus exhaust. Right now, Luis is spinning those little grill pieces. It's crazy how many little pieces there are, like I said. And then we're going to put the red P on there and around the grill, the carbon, and all that stuff.
It's not a joke. Oh, shoot. Hey, look how we're gonna do. We're gonna do this kind of work.
Oh,
It's
man.
very
Like a candy
nice.
ass.
And you're gonna see this one's over here.
Like a
Gonna
candy.
be the same design of this.
Okay, now put it in the right place, yeah?
I'm gonna
I have
put
to watch you put it in the right place. So which one? Where are you going to put that?
Comprendo que la distancia puede ser parte del olvido.
Check this out. I put this myself, the hardest piece of the car. The richest rap guy in the world. Can you guys spot why? Whoever spots why he's the richest rap person
Okay, this one over here.
gets a free RDB
Got the
license
lights?
plate.
This one's-
We have 4 Revueltos here at the shop. All 4 of them are getting worked on almost at the same exact time. So it's a rarity on its own. I don't think anywhere in the world has that. Dealerships probably don't even have that many Revueltos. But we got this wild one here with the full Duke Dynamics kit, Nero Nemesis matte black color with all the matte carbon all over it. That looks like a fighter jet. It's insane. We never thought after the SVJ we're gonna get something that looks crazy like that, but apparently we do right here. Over here we got another Nero Nemesis Revuelto. Also has a black and red interior. That one's full red. But this car is here for a full satin PPF job. So fully getting protected for its new owner. It does have some pretty crazy wheels on there as well. And then we got 2 Revueltos on the lifts over there. One is currently getting wrapped. As you can see, it is getting wrapped in satin black, which is gonna resemble these because that is the most popular sought after color because everybody wants a Batmobile in real life. So yeah, a lot of Revueltos in. We're gonna get that one done. I'm very excited for the Duke kit on that one too because that'll mark the 3rd one for us. And we have several new guys wanting them as well. So